hello, how are you today, big boy?
Sorry?
How are you today, big boy?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you for asking today. Now, do you serve the SuckADickChicken?
Hold on just 1 second for me.
Okay, okay.
You bitch.
Oh, this is food. This is so beautiful. It's Chinese. Oh, I like the handle today. 你好，你好，你好，你好。Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Hello, how may I help you?
Hello, I like your home song. How very nice.
What was that again?
I like the song you played when I was on phone.
Yeah. Another girl put you on hold.
Oh, that was my song. I like it.
Oh, you like the song?
Yeah. No, hello. Hello.
Yes.
Do you serve the SuckADickChicken?
I don't think so. What's that?
It's just chicken with special flavoring on top today. It's fried.
I don't think so.
I have been trying to find it. I cannot find it anymore today. Now, do you serve the both special?
No.
No? Wow, that is delicacy. I crave it.
Okay.
Now, is your chef Chinese or American? Hello? They hung up.